Yan po ang ating score kung saan nanalo ang Pilipinas in the first set against Mongolia. Ito mo mga kaganapan noong unang set. Cedric Legrand, Coach Ronnie, ang unang nagpamalas ng enerhiya at tikas ng Power Pinoy.
At siya ang leading scorer para sa ating kumunan na sa result. Yung kanyang husay at lakas ay talagang nanganak. Torres Abdilla nakiambag. 83% success rate sa attack points para sa Team Pilipinas kumpara sa tanging 18% on the flip side para sa Mongolia.
Pero hindi mangyayari yan kung hindi sa matibay at magaling na pagsiset ni William Lewis. But more of our setter later on. In the meantime, puntahan natin ang aming kasamahan, Apple David.
Chiki, napapansin ni Coach Francis Vicente na madaming errors at regalong puntos sa Mongolia, kaya naman ang instruction niya is to make the most out of those chances. Bukod pa dito, ang sabi niya, they can't afford to relax at any moment and they have to keep pushing themselves para naman di na magkakumpiyansa itong Mongolia. Lastly, huwag daw sila magbibigay ng regalong puntos through their service errors. Balik sa inyo.
Apple, matanong lang kita, kumusta ang spirit ng Pinoys doon sa kanilang huling huddle after winning the first set?
Alam mo, very high intensity, high energy, lahat sa kanila uplifted, and sabi nga nila, just focus, keep on doing what they're doing, and kaya-kaya nila to.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Apple. I will hear more from you later on. Sipag nating courtside reporter. Siyang tenga natin, Pero sabi nga ni Coach Francis Vicente, aba, ang biyaya, huwag talikuran.
At ang biyaya ay napupunta sa taong masisipag.
That's right.
Nabuo ang pagkakaisa. At ngayon, kung buo natin kinuha ang first set sa magitan ng talaan na 25-13. But this is going to be the same storyline dito sa ating second set. Baka makaasa tayo kay Coach Francis Vicente na bumala sa maya-maya. Bigyan ng pagkakataon. Ibang manlalaro mula sa PLDT team. Si Production, katulad ni Richard Gomez and the rest of the Power Spikers.
Yeah, Power Pinoy.
Power Pinoy.
Oo, mantakin mo, Coach Ronnie, after the second technical timeout ng first set, abay, 3 puntos lang ang naitala ng Altain Bars ng Mongolia. Dinikdik na talaga ng Pinoys ng unang set.
Yung floor defense talaga ng Mongolia, saksakan ng dami ng butas na naipakita. At maging yung kanilang service reception ay hindi gaanong matibay. Hindi sila maka-atake. At kung makaka-atake man sila, it all happened before the first technical timeout.
William Lewis on deck to serve para po sa kupunan ng Power Pinoys. Atake ng Mongolia. Number 16, Saikana gives Altain Bars the first point for the second set.
At umaasa ang Team Mongolia dito na sila naman ang makakakuha ng maagang puhunan.
And this PLDT Home Fiber Power Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Pinoys, they want to tie. Legrand does that with that skill. Going to zone number 5.
Itong si Legrand was born in 1988. Kasama makes him 26 years old. Tama ba yan?
Ang bata pa nito,
Ang bata.
Oo. 26, 27, Coach.
26 years old. Was born Feb 9, 1988. Grado, daming magiging
Ay, oo. Maraming kagahakayan at ang Power Pinoys. Ngayon pa lang, sa second set namang tayo 2-1 na humahan na mga tao nandito sa Buwari.
Pinabanggit natin kanina yung tibay ng opensa ng Pilipinas. Take a look at this last sequence from the back line. Attack error na naman nangyari dito sa Mongolia.
Gigil, Gigil ang atake ng MB. But that's a gimme. Para dito sa kumpura ng Mongolia. Service error coming from Power Pinoys. Tied na po tayo mag-2-1.
Kamali sa kanyang pag-serve. July 19, 1989. Bata din.
25.
25.
Abdilla. Finding the open space in zone number 3.
Excellent block shot. Excellent hang time. But what about that one-hand set given by Lewis? Sinigurado niya sa chicken na hindi magiging ending, na hindi magiging carry. And against two blockers, Abdilla lumingon cross-court, hinulugan yung donut doon sa gitna ng depensa ng Mongolia.
The beauty of the hang time of Lewis. The mga Pinoys, 3-2. Abdilla once more. Kanina, mahina. Ngayon naman, malakas. Ang support of the Power Pinoys.
Isang quicker, itong si Legrand turned himself into a setter This time, yung kanina, parating si Luis at Abdilla connecting. Ngayon naman, Chiqui, Legrand at si Abdilla.
This PLDT Home Fiber Power Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. With defense from Legrand, and that's another point for the Power Pinoys. Makagaan sila sa ere ni Abdilla.
Baba. Sabi nga ni Apple kanina, high intensity, high energy. Hindi na chest bump yun eh.
Ano ba yung shoulder pump?
High shoulder pump.
High shoulder pump.
Oo.
Mga high leapers.
At naku, tayo patuloy na umaabante rito at 5-2 kasama Chiqui. Nakakuha natin ng first set kanina, 25 against
13. Kose ang ating napanalo doon. That's point in a row to Altain Bars, 5-3. Ganito rin naman ang ating unang set. Dalawa, tatlo. Bago mag-unang technical timeout.
Pinapanggit natin yung offense natin, pero kailangan ipunto rin natin si Rafi Musuela na siyang libero natin. 4, July 7, July 9, 1981.
Alam mo, ka-birthday ko. Uy. Cute ako. Going high for the hill. Hitting zone number 6 at the end line.
Talk about perfect additions sa lineup coach Francis Vicente at ng BLBT Revolution on the top.
This PLDT Home Fiber Power Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Takas ng talon-ilog na.
Walang mahabang rallies. Patay agad ang bola.
6-3, Pinoy up by 3. Great reception. Pero bola pa rin ang Altain Bars at si Orgil Siligrad na makapos na pang-apat na punto. Oh!
That's a carry.
Was it a carry, Coach Ronnie?
That's a carry.
That's a big break for the Pinoys. Namang tayo ng 4. Yan natin yung slow-mo, Coach.
Demanding sa mga palad talaga eh.
Oo. So, an infraction cost the point for the Mongolians. Legrand.
Wow. Down the line, please, once again. Just like that, Chiqui. Tawid na tayo sa ating unang technical time at Pilipinas comfortable ahead. Please.
Too powerful ang service ni Legrand para dito kay Tuguldur, giving the Pinoys a 5-point lead. 8-3.
This program is brought